What would you do if you ever broke or lost the phone where you have Coinomi installed, or if you forgot its password? That's where your recovery phrase comes in. It's what you use to restore access to all funds on any device, no matter what. Here's how you should back it up. After creating a wallet, until you've proven that you backed it up, you will see a permanent warning at the top of the screen reminding you to do so. You can tap that warning, or at any time go to Coinomi's Settings, Manage Wallets. Tap the wallet name and select Wallet Backup or Recovery Phrase. After you authenticate, read the warning carefully. Really, never share the phrase with anyone. Write down all 24 words in that exact order, on paper or durable material, and keep it safe. Screenshots or online backups are not recommended. Select the checkbox stating that you've done it, then continue. To make sure that you wrote it down correctly, tap each word in the correct order. Take the time to look for any typos on your backup. Finally, you can set a more secure way to protect your wallet. We'll use fingerprint for now, and that's how you do it. Remember to keep your backup secure and your words secret. As long as you have your phrase, you can always access your addresses.